If you're looking to bulk import users into LearnWorlds, you're in the right place. I'll walk you through the steps to do this easily, but stick around because at the end, I'll also share a competitor that might be a better fit for your needs, especially if you're looking for an even smoother user import process. First, let's talk about LearnWorlds itself. While it's a powerful platform for course creators, one of the areas that can trip people up is the user import process. You need to import users efficiently, whether you're moving your existing members from another platform or adding a new batch of students. Now, the first thing you'll want to do is ensure your user data is ready. You'll need to create a CSV file containing all your users' details, such as their first name, last name, email, and any other custom fields you want to import. It's crucial to make sure the data is clean and organized so the import goes smoothly. If there's any missing info or incorrect formatting, you'll face issues when uploading. Next, once your CSV is ready, log into your LearnWorlds admin panel. Go to the Users section, and from there, you'll see an option to Bulk Import. This is where the magic happens. You'll be able to upload your CSV file here, and LearnWorlds will process the data. But it's not always as straightforward as it sounds. The platform doesn't offer much flexibility in terms of customization during the import, so it can feel limiting if you're trying to import users with custom attributes or complex data fields. The fourth thing to consider is LearnWorlds' user interface when importing. While the bulk import tool is functional, it's not the most intuitive. If you make a mistake during the upload process, it's not always clear where the issue is, making troubleshooting a bit frustrating. This is where some other platforms shine a bit more. Another challenge you might face with LearnWorlds is the lack of deeper integration with third-party tools. For example, if you use a CRM to manage your users, you may run into limitations when syncing that data with LearnWorlds. This can make ongoing data management a bit more cumbersome than you might like. But again, the system does work for simple use cases, so if you're okay with some manual adjustments, it's definitely a workable solution. Now, here's where things get interesting. As much as LearnWorlds works for bulk importing, I found that platforms like Thinkific or Teachable might offer a smoother experience for the long run, especially if you have a large number of users or need more advanced customization. These alternatives provide more flexibility in terms of data import options and integrations with third-party apps. Not only that, but their user interfaces are a bit more intuitive when handling bulk actions. Before I wrap up, let's talk about what's coming next. I've got a recommendation for an alternative that could be even better for your goals, and I've negotiated an exclusive offer for you. By signing up through our link, you'll get the best free trial and exclusive benefits that aren't available anywhere else. So, there you have it. LearnWorlds can do the job, but it might not be the easiest or most efficient solution for everyone. Check out the link in the description for a tool that might be a better fit for your needs. And remember, you'll get a special free trial with even more amazing perks. Go ahead, give it a try, and see which platform really works best for your business.